Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up my February BOXYCHARM box and trying everything on. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I'm just going to preface this and say that I am feeling very under the weather and I am really congested. So if my voice sounds sick, I'm very sorry. There's nothing I can do about it, but I did want to film this video and get it up for you guys. So yeah. Sorry in advance if you are annoyed by my congestion. I can hear my voice echoing in my head, which is horribly irritating. So let's hop into everything that I got this month. Opening up the box, the first thing I'm going to go in with is this product from First Aid Beauty. This is the Facial Radiance Pads, help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And then on the little pamphlet, it says a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. And these retail for $16. These remind me of the toning pads I used to use in high school. I haven't used anything like this since then. And these don't have the same, I can't really smell. I am congested, so I can't fully smell, but I can't smell anything from these. So I don't know if they're unscented. I feel like if it smelled strongly, I would be able to smell it. But it doesn't have like the tingling, burning sensation that the ones that I used to use in high school did. It really just feels like it cleansed my skin again, and it feels nice so far. I'm just gonna let it dry before going in with the next product. The next product is this one from Somerville. This is the Bio-Mimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm. And on the little pamphlet, it says, Kate specifically formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. After just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. And this retails for $98, which is insane. This is actually a larger container. This is a full ounce. I feel like a lot of my serums aren't quite an ounce. So it just comes with a dropper. I'm gonna take a couple of drops, put it in my fingertips, and then I kind of like to just put it all over my skin, and then I will kind of tap it in. And this does have a scent. I can't tell what the scent really is, just because I can't smell fully, but it's not offensive, I will say that. And this is leaving my skin tacky, but I wonder if it'll dry down in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on and I will be right back. I just put my foundation on, so now I'm going to go in with two of the next products in the box. The first one is from Ciate. This is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And if you've been following for a while, you probably know that I hate the scent of coconut. So I will be real with you guys. If this scent dissipates, if it has a strong scent, all of that. It is a loose powder, so I'm gonna have to open it up to see if it smells. But on here it says, lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder, delicately coconut fragranced to take you back to your beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback, and it retails for $22. So on there it does say that it is a coconut scented powder, so we will see how it is. Oh God. Coconut scent is just like my least favorite. The second product is this set of brushes, and this is from Alamar Cosmetics, the Complexion Brush Trio. This vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and brightening brush, suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish, and this retails for $36. These handles are really pretty. So this is the complexion brush, this is the bronzer brush, and then this one is the brightening brush. This bronzer brush has the most interesting top to it. I'm wondering if you'll be able to see that. It's like not flat across. It almost has like little bumps in it. I've never seen that on a brush before. And then the Complexion Brush is an angled brush. I actually think that I will love this for blush. Yeah, I think that I'll really like that. So I guess I'm gonna go in with the bronzer brush, this one, to do the powder. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it into the cap. Okay, this definitely has a coconut scent. I couldn't smell it at first. Okay, I can't use this brush. I'm just gonna grab my sheer powder brush. That brush is just too dense for all over powder. It might work for bronzer, which is what it says it's for. Yeah, if I'm congested and I'm smelling it really strongly, it's not a delicate scent. The question is, after I'm done with my makeup, will I still be able to smell it? Because ones like the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I can still smell it on my skin way after I'm done with my makeup, which I just can't handle that. So I will let you guys know. I think it's actually really, really pretty. So hopefully the scent will dissipate nicely. I'm going to try to use this brush for bronzer. I'm just going to with my Marc Jacobs Omega. I just don't, this feels more like a complexion brush than a bronze. Yeah, I just had to double check what the name of it was. It is the bronzer brush. I mean, I guess it's okay. It's one of those things that it's going to pack the color on, so I'm being really light-handed. Okay, it's not the worst, but I don't think that I would use this as a bronzer brush normally. I am more into like the fluffier brushes. I would use this more as a complexion brush. All right, I'm gonna try this brush. This is the complexion brush with a blush and see. Okay, I feel like it really placed it. Like as soon as I set the brush down, that's where the color went, but it is blending it out nicely, and the bristles are really, really soft. Okay, it's a little bit more pigmented than I would want it to be, but I will blend it out with my setting spray. I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. All right, I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I will link everything that I have on my face down below in the bottom bar, but I'm just gonna quickly go through all of the products that I got in this month's box, my first impressions and all of that. First was the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. I like these, I will continue to use them. There are, it's weird, it doesn't say how many are in here, which is interesting. So I can't really say if it's worth the money or not. It's not a large container, but there's probably like, I don't know, 30, 25? I don't know. Anyway, I did enjoy them, so I will continue to use these and will let you guys know. They might end up in a favorites or a not favorites. We'll see. Kind of the same thing with the Kate Somerville Bio-Mimicking Peptides. It's so hard to tell with skincare type products if you like it right away or not. It did sit really nicely under my makeup, I will say that, but I don't know that it's going to like have any effects. It did say after the first week, I think. Yeah, it said after just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. So this is day one. I will continue using it and see if I think that's true too. Next is the brush set. I didn't use this brush, which is the brightening brush. I think this would be a really good brush for like under eye powder or even like contouring. I don't know that I would use it for highlight though. And then this brush is the Complexion Brush, and I actually really liked it for my blush. And I think this is really good for bronzer too. So this one I will definitely use, and then this is the bronzer brush. I don't know that I'll get much use out of this brush personally, but these are all extremely soft and they feel like really high quality. Then we have the Ciate powder. I will say I cannot smell it anymore. I'm gonna have to use it again after I'm not congested just to double check, because I know I'm not like fully smelling everything, so maybe I just can't smell it because it's dissipated just enough. So I will keep you guys updated on this just because I am curious, but right now I can't smell it now that all of my makeup is on. I hope that that's the case though, because I do like this. I think that it sat really nicely on my skin, and if I have another powder that doesn't smell, that would be amazing. And then I almost forgot to even share the last product because I didn't use it. And it is these. It is from Evio Skin, and it's the Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So it's just these makeup wipes. And these retail for $10. It says, these biodegradable multitasking Evio Skin X Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. So I will try these out. To be honest with you though, I already have my favorite makeup wipes. I doubt that I would switch, especially because these are much more expensive. I just added up everything that I got in this month's box, and the retail value of it is $182, which is really good. The Kate Somerville was $98, so that is a large chunk of it. And this month I got 3 skincare type products. So I got the makeup wipes, the Radiance pads, and this serum, and then I got a brush set. So I only got really 1 makeup product, which was the powder. So that's a little bit disappointing just because I do like having more of a variety in my box every month. But anyway, I'm actually considering that. I'm still impressed with this box just because I am excited about a couple of the products in here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you get BOXYCHARM. Did you get the same thing? Did you get different things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.